We're getting ready for Chumpan, but I'm not gonna go far because you can see the whole back shifting off. So I'm gonna have to go hit up the boys at the shop, take care of me. I think it's a wheel bearing. Let's go. And they changed the bearings out for me. I had 2 bad bearings and it was really worn out. So that's fixed. And now I have clutch slipping. So what we're gonna do is I got some flushing oil and I'm gonna try to flush the clutch out. See how difficult it was to put into gear. So oil has something to do with it. Man. We had a lot of stuff to take care of, but that's part of it. Let's go. I've been driving it for years, just beyond my side. I'm too far gone. He's been running pretty good, flawless, but I'm a little tired. I didn't leave early, but it's good. It's almost afternoon. I'm gonna get a quick lunch. Pause again, okay? Alright, this is the first pillar. Beautiful day! A lot of people on the road. You know what? I just got here and I'm waiting for my friend. He's in an orange. Oh, wait. Oh, he's been here. Well, we're not gonna get too far. Oh man, that's crazy.